Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to enable SMB 1 on Windows 11 using command prompt and PowerShell. In method 1, we will use command prompt. Go to the start menu and search for command prompt. Once you find the application, please click on Run as Administrator. Now the command prompt is open as administrator. Here we have to enter the following command. You can find this command in the video description and you can also find it on winsides.com in the relevant article. Once you enter the command, click enter to execute it. As DISM requires elevated permissions, we are running command prompt as administrator to enable this feature using DISM. DISM is now enabling the SMB1 protocol. And that's it, the operation is completed successfully. SMB1 protocol is now enabled. In the next method, we will use Windows PowerShell. Go to the start menu and search for PowerShell. And make sure to click on Run as Administrator. Now, kindly enter the following command in the PowerShell. You can find this command in this video description and you can also find it on winsides.com in the relevant article. Once you enter the complete command, click enter to execute the command. Then the system will enable SMB1 protocol on Windows 11. The system has now enabled SMB1 protocol using Windows PowerShell.